Blackwood from Healthier Steps. I'm so excited that you're here today, and I have a new recipe to share with you. It's my delicious mashed plantains. Yes, mashed plantains. And if you've never had plantains, they are a cousin of bananas, so they're super delicious. They're sweet, but not as sweet as bananas. They're starchier. Yes, they are, and they have resistant starches. That means they don't spike your blood glucose levels. So people who are diabetic, they'll find that they'll be able to eat them and tolerate them more. And today I'm actually using the ripe ones, so you can use the green ones to make this dish. There's a recipe over at my website on Healthier Steps, so be sure to go over there and check that recipe out. That's made with actual green plantains, but today I'm going to use the ripe plantains. They're high in fiber, and this dish is a great alternative to mashed sweet potatoes, and we know the holidays are coming up, so this would be a great alternative recipe to share with your family and your loved ones. And so before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell below so that you can be updated on all my latest recipes. We're going to peel our plantain, and plantain is the cousin of banana. It's not as sweet, it's starchier, but nonetheless when it's ripe it's sweet, and it can be eaten raw. So it's sweet enough to be eaten raw, but today when you cook it, it intensifies the sweetness. So first I'm going to peel my plantain, and you notice it's larger than a banana as well. So what I do is cut the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to make a slit going along right beneath the skin, and then all you're going to do is peel it easy, and you're just going to peel it. There you go. And then what I can do is I'm going to just rest that there, and I'm using 3 plantains today. And what I like is it's easy for digestion, it's high in potassium, and it's good for you. So next I'm going to chop them up. Just rest the skin aside. And you can find on my website many delicious plantain recipes, from air fryer plantain to baked plantain to plantain lasagna, and they're all vegan and gluten-free. And I have my water boiling, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add it to my boiling water. You can put some salt in the water right now, or you can add the salt later. It's up to you. I'll leave that up to you. So I'm just cooking them in the boiling water for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're tender, and then we're going to mash them just like you would mashed potato. You can add, if you didn't want to add the coconut milk, you can also add some garlic and salt for a different flavor, or you could add, like I'm going to do, the coconut milk. And you can also add your spices, whatever your favorite spices are. You can add, whether it's be cinnamon or coriander, or what else, cardamom. You can add whatever spice you want to add to it, whatever flavor combination that's your favorite, you can add to it. So I'm just going to cover the pot and let it boil, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so my plantains, they're finished cooking. I have drained them and I ran them under cool running water. So I'm ready to go ahead and mash now. So they're soft. Look how soft they are. I'm just gonna mash them. And this is so naturally sweet. So in case, you know, this is a great substitute for mashed sweet potato. Why not try something different? It's just as sweet and flavorful, and it's as healthy as sweet potato. So if you've never tried it, I think this is an amazing dish to try, and it mashes real easy. You can use a fork, a potato masher, and next I'm going to add some coconut milk, about a 1/4 cup, and I'm going to add my salt, about a teaspoon, so, or less, just to bring out the flavors. I'm just going to mash. This is really, really good. Really, really good, really flavorful, creamy. Amazing. You can leave it chunky if you want, or you can mash it as smooth as possible. And I'm just using a fork, easy as peasy. I'm just using a fork, and it's so soft that it mashes real easy. So that's your finished dish. Pretty, lovely, nice, bright yellow color, naturally bright and yellow, pretty color. Fun dish to make that tastes amazing and is healthy for you. Creamy mashed plantains, and I'm going to take a taste test. So creamy, so delicious. Look at this. Look at how creamy it is. Perfect side dish this holiday. It's so good. You've got to try it, and when you do, please be sure to leave a comment below, and also share this recipe with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and be sure to come back for the next recipe.